Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we've been doing a lot with Pygame. We're getting used to some things. Well, now we need to really start putting stuff on the screen. So let's look at the pygame.draw module. Alright, let's get it in here. And if you're new here, thanks for joining us. What we do is we look at one item at a time per video, and we have a couple things going on all the time. If I can type tonight. Wow. Alright, so here we go. What this does is shapes, lines, rectangles, circles, ellipses, and polygons. So as you might guess, we are going to start putting more stuff on the screen because we now know how to put text, and now we are going to need to learn how to kind of interact with the screen, but we need to know where to press, right? So we're going to start putting figures on the screen and some clickability, but we got to start with shapes. We learned how to do text and images, and we'll just go from there. So real quick video today, just going to show you where we're going, and that is that. But as always, you guys are doing a really awesome job leading the channel, asking questions, giving a lot of feedback, great feedback. So I can't tell you guys thank you enough. Stay tuned, keep watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.